was was listed before the bench of Justice Seema Puri, who had been hearing this matter. Then it had come up, if my lords will see the last order before the bench decided by my lords Justice Ilan Trivedi, when the order was passed to be listed before the concerned bench. Now, my lords, appropriate bench, yes, before the appropriate bench. Now, my lords, we were just saying that this matter has been heard and there is a specific direction passed on 22nd January 2020.
It has to go before that bench.
My lords, this matter
That last order, there must be I've been led by Mr. Gupta, he is talking. There must be an administrative order.
I do not know. I am just bringing it to my lord's notice. If there is one, then I'm not aware of. But
no administration.
So this is about the DLED trained teachers, Miller. The dispute is, Miller, that there is a cut-off date. The advertisement is advertised on a particular date. The rule says that those who are qualified on the issuance of the notification, they are qualified. The petitioners here in Miller, they are admittedly not qualified on the day of
no, that's not correct. This is a
very controversy, Miller.
Well, that's completely incorrect because the rule that is the controversy.
That is the controversy.
And then I am the permission. I can open my matter
because on the date of the advertisement, they will not.
So, my lords, very well. So, my lords, the first thing is whether if my lords are going on with the matter, that's one part. I will take it. The issue is not as it's being projected. We were those candidates who were in that final year who had to take an exam in June as per the West Bengal board. West Bengal board did not conduct the exams in June. There was a petition filed, the exams were held. The rule has a specific provision that those candidates who are appearing for that exam in that particular year and those who have qualified will be entitled to be considered.
Now, the rules,
my learned friend, I do not see where's the urgency. It's all on record. There is a government rule out there and there's a rule in the provision. And that's what the court has considered. We were eligible on the date on which we took that particular exam because we had already appeared for our final exam. And that's what the rule clearly says, my lords. Now, my lords, on that basis, we have been found eligible and have been considered there. But the point is this:
no, that eligibility. This is what
primary teachers.
These are primary teachers.
Eligibility.
Don't do anything. Just keep quiet.
Now, my lords, the position is this: that by my lord's order, if my lord's
eligibility, as I understand, would be this TET and all that.
Yes, yes. No, my lords, there is the other factor here.
Diploma.
Between.
Were you having diploma at that time?
Yes.
No.
Can I answer? They can answer that. My lords, the case that arises here is between two competing sets of D-led candidates itself. Now, under the provision, there is a thing that if you are taking the exam in a particular year of your D-led final, here the exam got postponed for whatever reason attributable to the board. But I was taking the exam at that time, and the rule has a specific provision that if you are taking that particular exam, you are entitled to be taken into the consideration.
The rule says that.
Yes.
Just read that rule.
Absolutely, and it's considered. It has come on the basis of the NCTE guidelines itself.
Just read the rule.
Yes, my lords. Let me just get that.
NCTE guidelines says something else.
No, my lords. It was clarified. Yes, it was clarified, and on that basis, yes. My lords, may just give me a moment because we were all expecting that this is not happening just now. So, but this is what the provision is. Yes. My lords, may take. My lords,
the last order has been complied with. The interim position is clear. So it
we'll hear you from
my lords, that rule is at 150. Points are there at 150 because I remember.
You can read that.
Yes, my lords. Please come to page. This is NCTE, page 111, and at 115 is the guideline for eligibility. Now, following persons shall be eligible for appearing in the TET. Person.
Which one are you reading?
My lords, eligibility at serial number 5. Oh, I'm sorry. My lords, my paper book is Arindam Marjit, which is 25.
This is swimming pool.
No, All are tagged, but then
You wanted Arindam.
Or in the,
Yes.
that's it.
Acha, Arindam will have it. Which panna is it?
my lords, is 111 at 115.
The impugn judgment also has it.
Yes,
This is
my
West Bengal thing.
yes. It's once again.
The
Mr.
impugn
Gupta is
judgment,
leading the.
the impugn judgment is extracted the relevant notification. That way everybody will be on the same page.
Yes.
Page 13, your lordships, 12 and 13 of the impugn
We
judgment.
have it. Background and rationale.
Yes, my lords.
Where is it that says that you can?
Yes, my lords. Please come to the guidelines at page number 115.
This is different.
Guideline for conduct of TET.
Yes,
right?
absolutely. And the eligibility, my lords, at the bottom of the page. Eligibility, 115 that is. So a person who has acquired the qualification as specified in notification so and a person who's pursuing any of the teacher education courses specified in the NCTE. Now I was at the stage of my final examination. And that is how I'm qualified.
We are concerned with the recruitment, not TET examination. TET examination, they were all.
This was also clarified.
And it is, there is a judgment of this honorable court. Lordship will decide.
He's right. This is for TET.
Yes, my lords, yes.
The
But
rule
my,
is that page 5 of the impugn judgment. Lordship will see rule 6.
Yes.
The person will have to be trained on the date.
the advertisement
There is-
itself says, give me the page on the advertisement.
It's guidelines for conduct
Just
of
keep
TET.
it.
Page 5.
My lords, may keep
Date
it on
and
Monday.
recruitment are two
My
different
lords,
things.
may just
Cannot be
keep it
mixed.
on Monday.
The rule here is at page 13, your lordship, of the impugn judgment.
That PET
The
has
relevant-
nothing to do with this. We are concerned with DLED.
Yes, your lordships. These
My
are
lords,
candidates who have
keep it on
passed that
Monday.
TET.
My lords, may please keep it on Monday. My lords, I
Just see the
thought
rule.
that it was going
We
there.
have it on non-miscellaneous paper.
Yes, we keep it on non-mistake.
Lordship will say top of the board, very short.
Yes,
issue,
my lords, we keep it on top of the board. There's no problem.
Convenient to my lord.
Yes, whenever convenient.
Top of the board, if it's at the end, you have to turn the board.
Lordship, a very short issue, lordship. Problem with all these matters, keep everything in limbo.
Page 135 also, same thing in this. The person who pursued.
And Tuesday.
From Tuesday, after 2 weeks, just give it.
Yes, my lord.
List on and
Any
on.
specific date, your lordship?
Then give it.
And date.
My lord, we have filed implement application, my lord. We are the NIS candidate, my lord.
Lordship NIS has been held to be different by another bench. Lordship, they
Then
have
let the application remain there.
My lord, kindly allow that
Some other
application so that we can.
NIS is.
we are opposing. Lordship will decide the issue. Whatever is the logical conclusion.
Array, 8 minutes. What is NIS?
My lord, we are the NIS institute, my lord. We are the National Institute of Open Schooling. My lord,
Their SLP has been dismissed by this honorable court.
Open schooling is not.
Yes, their SLP has been dismissed in this
my
issue.
lord, we are already qualified.
They are coming in the
TET, my lord. We have already holding the TET, my lord. We have successfully applied, my lord.
You don't
Let
have
the
a diploma.
application remain on record. Let's.
So this, Your Worship, there's another application that is filed. This matter is about 2022 recruitment. What is not before Your Lordship is that there is another SLP pending before Honorable Justice Rishikesh Roy, which is about the 2020 notification. It's an admitted fact that 4,000 posts from 2020 have been carried forward to this recruitment by an interim order of 29 January. In this case,
Can't get that.
Yes.
it has been permitted to fill those.
Sulia was part of that bench which issued notice. There was actually non-suitable candidate.
Your Lordship, all we are seeking is that the interim order should say it should be subject matter of that.
No, they had asked for it on the
Will
last.
become infructuous.
Nothing.
That will become infructuous, Your Lordship, 4,000.
Come on, non-miscellaneous.
Non-mistakes.
Yes.
Lordship can kindly give a specific.
Then give you. 40.
May it please your lordship.